Dear Lord, as night falls, I come to you in prayer, seeking peace and unity for my family. Thank you for blessing us with each other and for the love that binds us together. In moments of discord and misunderstanding, grant us the grace to find common ground and the strength to forgive. Help us to communicate with kindness and to listen with open hearts. May our home be filled with your presence, where peace reigns and unity flourishes. Teach us to appreciate our differences and to support one another unconditionally. Bless each member of our family with patience, compassion, and understanding. Let our actions reflect your love, and may we always strive to bring joy and harmony to our home. Guide us in your ways, Lord, so that we may grow closer to you and to each other. Help us to cherish our moments together and to resolve our differences with compassion and patience. Teach us to listen more, speak kindly, and act with love. May our home be a sanctuary of peace, where your presence is felt in every corner. Grant us the wisdom to understand and appreciate each other's strengths and weaknesses. Let our hearts be filled with forgiveness and our minds with understanding. Bind us together with your love, so we may face all of life's challenges as a united family. As we rest tonight, I ask for your protection over our family. Fill our dreams with hope and renewal, and let us wake up refreshed, ready to face a new day together. Thank you for your endless blessings and for the gift of family. Thank you, Lord,